welcome back to our podcast. When Mark and Jenna Thompson decided to move from Dallas to Madrid for Mark's new tech job, excitement quickly gave way to overwhelm. They had 2 kids, a household full of furniture, heirlooms, and artwork. And a big question: how do we move all of this across an ocean without losing our sanity? Mark researched international movers for weeks. He compared reviews and quotes. What stood out about SDC International Shipping was not just the professionalism, but the personal attention. From the first call, SDC Relocation Specialist made it simple. It didn't feel like a transaction, Jenna later said. It felt like we had a partner. Planning the move, SDC's team began with a virtual walkthrough of the Thompsons' house. They identified fragile items, a baby grand piano, antique mirror, and Mark's photography collection. These all required custom crating. The family opted for full-service packing, letting SDC's team handle everything from labeling boxes to preparing export documents. To qualify for duty-free imports under Spain's transfer of residency rules, SDC guided Mark through the paperwork, proof of residency, itemized inventory, and declaration. Every foam was double-checked before shipment left Texas. Smooth sailing across the Atlantic, the Thompsons container left Houston bound for Valencia. SDC's destination agents in Spain handled custom clearance, ensuring all documents were in order before the ship even docked. When the container arrived, the family received updates in real time. Every step was tracked, every handoff confirmed. A week later, the moving truck pulled up to Madrid. The crew carefully unpacked, reassembled furniture, and placed everything room by room. Not one item was missing or damaged. We were nervous about the piano, Mark said, but when we opened the crate, it looked like it had never left home. By the end of the first week in Spain, the Thompsons were walking through the park with their kids, not buried under boxes. Their home felt settled, and their life was underway. SDC didn't just move our things, Jenna said. They made Madrid feel like home from day one. Are you ready to make your move to Spain just as smooth? Call 844-651-7050 or visit our website today.